The overall goal of this procedure is the reliable rheological characterization of highly concentrated suspensions which exhibit complex deformation and flow behavior in classical plate-to-plate rotational rheometry.
This method can help answer key questions for screen printing pastes. A comprehensive characterization of different process-relevant rheological parameters is essential for a tailored engineering of such pastes with improved processing and application properties. The main advantage of this approach is the simultaneous observation of the sample deformation and recording of rheological data. Demonstrating the procedure will be Ceren Yüce, a PhD student from KIT, Institute of Mechanical Process Engineering and Mechanics.
To begin the yield stress measurements, set up a parallel plate rheometer with plates 25 mm in diameter and a plate roughness of 2 to 4 micrometers. Prepare the measurements to be taken in stepwise controlled shear stress mode, with the shear stress to be varied between 1 and 3000 pascals in 35 steps, with a total measuring time of 1050 seconds. Mount an endoscopic camera on a tripod and equip the camera with an LED spotlight. Connect the camera to a computer and adjust the contrast and brightness as needed. Mix a sample silver paste with a speed mixer at 1000 RPM for 30 seconds to ensure that the sample is homogeneously blended. Apply a small amount of the blended paste to the bottom plate. Bring the upper plate to just above the measurement position. Remove excess silver paste from the plate edges with a spatula. Then, move the upper plate